Ever walked by a road construction site and felt the ground shake beneath your boots? That deep, rumbling sensation isn't just in your imagination. It's a sign that something powerful is at work right under your feet. That's no earthquake. It's the road roller at work, transforming loose gravel and hot asphalt into the smooth, solid roads we all rely on every day. These massive machines may look slow and simple, but honestly, they hold a secret power that shapes every road, runway, and parking lot you've ever set foot on. Without them, our daily commutes and travels would be a lot bumpier. Road rollers don't just press down asphalt. They compact layers of material, squeezing out air pockets and locking everything tightly together. They harness physics, vibration, and yeah, some serious engineering muscle. The vibrations help the heavy drums sink deeper, ensuring the surface is as dense and durable as possible. What makes a road roller more than just a heavy drum on wheels? It's the combination of weight, vibration, and smart engineering that sets them apart. Underneath its steel skin, clever mechanics and precise controls are working overtime. Operators can adjust the force and frequency of the vibrations to match the job's needs. The real magic isn't just in the weight. It's in how the machine uses that weight, combined with powerful vibrations, to create a surface that can withstand years of heavy traffic. It's in the force you can't always see, but definitely feel. That invisible energy is what makes roads last. Imagine building a road without one. The surface would be loose, unstable, and dangerous for vehicles. The surface would crumble, crack, and collapse under the first heavy truck. Repairs would be constant, and travel would be a nightmare. Road rollers prevent that disaster, making them unsung heroes of infrastructure. They quietly ensure our roads are safe, smooth, and ready for anything. Let's roll up our sleeves and dig into what really makes these machines shake the ground. There's a fascinating science behind every rumble. So next time you feel that rumble, remember, there's a lot more happening than meets the eye. It's the result of careful design and powerful technology working together. The secret power behind smooth roads is rolling right past you, quietly shaping the world beneath your feet, one pass at a time. Road rollers are built for one job: compaction. These powerful machines are designed to press and squeeze the ground beneath them, transforming loose materials into a solid, stable foundation. That means pressing down and squeezing materials like soil, gravel, or asphalt until they're packed tight. This process removes air pockets and locks everything together, creating a dense, supportive base for roads and highways. Why does this matter? Because loose materials shift. They settle over time, making roads bumpy and unsafe. Without proper compaction, the surface can quickly become uneven, leading to a rough and uncomfortable ride for everyone. Good compaction prevents potholes, cracks, and dangerous dips. It creates a smooth, even surface that stands up to daily traffic and harsh weather. Imagine a new road built on loose soil. With every car or truck that passes, the ground shifts a little more. Soon, you've got a mess. The pavement buckles, and repairs become expensive and constant. Poor compaction means more maintenance, more closures, and more frustration for drivers. Compaction stops this from happening by making sure everything is as solid as it can be. Multiple passes with a road roller ensure the base is strong and ready for whatever comes next. Engineers rely on road rollers because compaction makes roads last longer. It's a crucial step in building infrastructure that stands the test of time. It also means better load support. Heavy trucks won't punch holes in the surface. Well-compacted roads can handle the weight of thousands of vehicles every day. Compacted layers resist water too, which is the enemy of any road. Water can seep in, freeze, and break apart weak spots. Proper compaction helps keep moisture out, protecting the road from damage year-round. In short, road rollers keep our roads safe, smooth, and strong. They're the unsung heroes behind every reliable highway and city street. Without them, we'd be dodging potholes on every drive, facing constant repairs, and risking our safety every time we hit the road. Not all road rollers are created equal. Over the years, these machines have evolved dramatically, each new generation bringing something unique to the table. The oldest type is the static roller. It's basically just a huge, heavy drum that uses its own weight to press down on the surface. These machines are simple, reliable, and have been around for decades, shaping roads in cities and rural areas alike. Static rollers work, but they have their limits. They can only pack so much, especially when the material is tough or thick. On uneven ground or with stubborn materials, they sometimes struggle to achieve the perfect compaction needed for a long-lasting road. Enter the vibratory roller. This modern machine doesn't just rely on weight. It shakes, literally. The addition of vibration technology has changed the game for road construction. Inside the drum is a motor-driven mechanism that vibrates the whole roller. That shaking action makes a huge difference. It forces particles to rearrange and settle into a tighter fit, creating a denser, more stable surface that stands up to heavy traffic and harsh weather. Vibratory rollers can handle thicker layers and tougher materials than static ones. They're faster too, and create a more even finish. This efficiency means roads can be built or repaired more quickly, saving both time and money. Most jobs today use vibratory rollers, sometimes in combination with static ones for a final smooth over. This teamwork ensures the road is compacted to perfection, from the base layer to the final surface. So, while static rollers still have their place, vibration gives today's machines the edge. It's the secret weapon for building roads that last, ensuring smoother rides and safer journeys for everyone who travels on them. The heart of a vibratory roller is something called an eccentric mass. Imagine a heavy metal cylinder spinning inside the drum, but not centered. As it turns, it throws its weight from side to side. This off-balance spinning creates powerful vibrations. These vibrations travel down through the drum and into the road surface. The result? Every shake pushes the particles of soil or asphalt closer together. It's a bit like shaking a jar of marbles. The more you vibrate it, the tighter they pack. The speed and strength of this vibration can be controlled. Operators can adjust how fast the eccentric mass spins and how strong the shakes become. This makes vibratory rollers incredibly flexible, able to handle everything from soft soil to hard-packed asphalt. Without this clever mechanism, road rollers would be stuck relying on sheer weight alone. The eccentric mass is the hidden muscle behind every smooth road. Why does vibration work so well for compaction? Well, it's all about movement. When the roller shakes, it jiggles particles loose so they can settle into empty spaces. This reduces air pockets, which are really the enemy of strong roads. Static rollers, they simply press down. That works on thin layers or soft materials, but it can't force out all the tiny gaps. Vibration, on the other hand, gets deep inside the material. It helps particles slide past each other and lock together tightly. Vibratory compaction also speeds up the job. Less time and fewer passes are needed to get the same or even better results. And because the compaction is deeper and more even, roads can handle heavier loads without damage. That's why almost every major construction project now uses vibratory rollers. It's a smarter, faster, and stronger way to build roads that last. Controlling a massive road roller isn't easy. That's where hydrostatic transmission comes in. Instead of relying on gears and clutches, this system uses hydraulic fluid to transfer power from the engine to the wheels and drum. Hydrostatic transmission allows for smooth, precise control. Operators can adjust speed and direction with just a lever or pedal. There's no jerking, stalling, or awkward shifting. This is vital when working on tricky surfaces or around tight corners. With hydrostatic drive, the roller can creep along slowly or move quickly between job sites. It can even reverse instantly if needed. This flexibility makes the machine safer and easier to use, especially for inexperienced operators. Precision control isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. Hydrostatic transmission ensures every inch of ground gets the perfect amount of compaction. Not every road or surface needs the same force. That's why modern road rollers let operators adjust the vibration. By changing the speed or amplitude of the eccentric mass, they can dial in just the right amount of shake. Soft soil might need a gentle touch. Hard-packed gravel requires more power. With adjustable vibration, one machine can handle both jobs. This saves time and money, since crews don't need a different roller for every surface. Changing the vibration level is as simple as flipping a switch or turning a dial in the cab. Digital controls make it easy to see exactly what setting is in use. Some advanced rollers even have preset programs for common materials. This flexibility means fewer mistakes and better results. It's another example of smart engineering making road construction faster and better. All that shaking isn't just tough on the road, it's tough on the machine and the person driving it. That's why modern road rollers come with built-in shock absorbers and dampening systems. These protect the engine, frame, and delicate hydraulics from wear and tear. More importantly, they protect the operator. The cab is often mounted on rubber pads or springs to soak up vibration. Special seats absorb shocks so drivers don't go home with sore backs or hands. Some machines even have air-conditioned, noise-reducing cabs for comfort. Vibration can damage electronics and sensitive parts. Engineers design components to withstand constant shaking. Regular maintenance checks make sure everything stays tight and safe. Safety isn't just about rules, it's built right into the machine. Protecting people and equipment is key to every successful job. A road roller is more than just a heavy drum. It's a blend of mechanics, hydraulics, and physics working together. The engine provides raw power. The hydrostatic system delivers smooth control. The eccentric mass and vibration do the real heavy lifting. Every part is designed to handle stress, absorb shocks, and produce the perfect compaction. Modern road rollers are smarter, safer, and more powerful than ever. They can adapt to any job, from highways to airport runways. This combination of forces, weight, vibration, and precise control, is what gives us roads that last for decades. It's engineering brilliance in action, hidden under the familiar rumble of a road roller at work. So next time you see a roller shaking the ground, remember, it's not just heavy, it's a finely tuned machine making our world smoother, safer, and stronger.